Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to our online maths class. Okay, now we are doing the lesson multiplication, isn't it? I think most of you have learned the multiplication table well. I have received your answer scripts, but please try to understand. I am teaching not only in one class, but in all the 5 divisions of class 4. I am handling the maths nowadays. So, can you imagine about more than 260 papers are there to be corrected, so it will take time surely. Okay, please try to understand. Not only this, in class 6 also I have been dealing with 4 divisions, so I am handling the answer scripts and notes and assignments and all of more than 470 students, so it's really time consuming. I think you can understand. Okay, yes, so surely don't worry, as early as possible I will check it and it will be sent back to you also. Thank you. Okay, then we had done the first exercise of this lesson, isn't it? That lesson is from the properties of multiplication. Okay, let's start the next exercise, exercise 4b. Before that, let me explain how to multiply. You listen carefully, don't write anything now, just listen. How to multiply 123 into 3? How to multiply this? Just listen carefully, don't write. First we have to multiply 3 with the first number, isn't it? First 3 into 3. 3 3s are what? 9. Without knowing the table, no use in attending this class. It will be a mere wastage of time. Learn the table very well. Okay. Then we have to multiply this 3 and this 2, isn't it? 2 3s are, don't write. Okay, listen. 2 3s are 6. Write the answer down 2. Okay. Then we have to multiply this 3 and this 1. 1 3s are 3. So what is our answer? 369, isn't it? 369 is our answer. And then let's think we have a 4-digit number. That means 1021 into 4. How to multiply this? In the first session, we are going to deal with the multiplication without carrying. Okay, without carrying. How to multiply this? First, this 4 has to be multiplied with yes, this 1, isn't it? 1 4s are 4. Answer should be written down this 1. Okay, or 4. Then 4 has to be multiplied with what? Yes, 4 into 2, isn't it? 2 4s are 8. Where the answer should be written? Exactly down this 2. If 2 4s are 8, isn't it? Then we have to multiply this 4 and 0. 4 into 0, isn't it? Where the answer has to be written? Yes, exactly down this 0. No need to draw this line like this, but I would like to indicate the position where the numbers to be written. That's all. Okay. 0 into 4. 0 into any number is what? 0 into any number? Yes, 0 into any number is 0. That we know. We have learned in that properties of multiplication, isn't it? Then we have to multiply 4 into what? Finally, we have to multiply 4 into 1. 1 4s are 4. Where the answer has to be written? Exactly down this 1. 1 4s are 4. So this is our answer. Okay. Have you understood how to multiply this? So as a beginning, just do such problems only. After that, we shall move on to the next session. And now, let's discuss about 204 into 21. How to multiply this? 204 into, don't write, I'm just explaining the multiplication, don't write. 204 into 21. How to multiply this? First, we have to begin with the first number 1. Down first number 1. 1 should be multiplied with here, which is the first number? 4. So first 1 4s are 4. Answer should be written exactly down this 4. Okay. Then 1 and this 0, isn't it? Isn't it? 1 and this 0. 1 into 0. any number into 0, 0. Answer should be written exactly down 0. Okay, here. Understood. Then 1 should be multiplied. This is 1, okay. 1 should be multiplied with 2. 2 ones are 2. Where the answer should be written? Exactly down this 2. Like this, okay. So, 2 ones are 2. Okay. Then, now we have multiplied 4, 0 and 2 with 1. This we had done. We have multiplied 204 into 1. Isn't it? Down we have 21. In that we have multiplied 204 with 1. Now we have to multiply 204 by which number? Yes, now we have to multiply 204 by 2. Isn't it? Now we have to multiply. Now we are going to multiply 204 into 2. For this, what we have to do is that the symbol in multiplication here is addition. What we have to do is that in the first place, we are going to multiply 204 by 2 now, isn't it? So, in the place of 1, just put 1 0. Understood? Just put 1 0 here. Don't forget to put the 0, otherwise your answer, if we don't put the 0 here, our answer will be wrong. Okay. Now, let's try to multiply 204 into 2. Yes. First, we have to multiply 2 into this 4. 2 4s are 8. Where the answer should be written? Answer should be written down this 2, or first place we have put 0. Answer should be written in the second place. Okay. 2 4s are 8. Then 2 into 0. 2 into 0, 0 in the next place. 2 2s are 4. Yes, like this. It should be written. Okay. Now we have to add 4 plus 0, 4. 0 plus 8, 8. 2 plus 0, 2. Here 4. So this is our final answer. Understood? Let me explain one more problem like this. 312 into 13. 312 into 13. Let's try to multiply. 312 into 13. 312 into 13 means how to multiply. Don't write, I am just explaining. 312 into 13 means how to do. First we have to multiply 312 by 3, isn't it? First we have just forget this 1 now, and we are going to multiply 312 by this 3. For that, first we have to multiply 3 into first number 2, isn't it? 2 3s are 6. Okay. Then 3 into 1. 1 3s are 3. Yes. 3 into 3 then. 3 3s are 9. Okay. And what is the next step? Which is the next step? Yes, we are going to multiply 312 into 1. Before doing that, what we have to do? In the place of, yes, in the place of this 3, we have to put 1 0. In the first place, just put 1 0. Then only the answer should be written. Okay. Don't write the answer from the answer. Don't start writing the answer from the first place. Okay. You should put 1 0 here. In multiplication, without putting the 0, if you multiply 1 into 2, if you multiply 1 into this 1 into this 2, 1 2s are 2, and write the answer here, this is wrong. We can't write. Okay. In the second step, you should put 1 0. You should put 1 0. Okay. Down the first number. Isn't clear? Then 1 2s are 1 into 2, 1 2s are 2. 1 into 1, 1 1s are 1. 1. This is 1. Okay. Then 1 into 3. 1 into 3. 1 into 3. 1 3s are 3. Now we have to add. Okay. 6. 3 plus 2 5. 9 plus 1 10. Balance 1 should be written here. 3 plus 1 4. This is the answer. Okay. Yes. So let's move on to the exercise now. Multiplication of larger numbers Okay, just write exercise 4B. Exercise 4B. Multiplication of larger numbers without carrying. So in this lesson we are going to learn the multiplication of larger numbers, and in that without carrying multiplication are going to be learned first. Okay, now first question, multiply. Question number 1, multiply. Question number 1, multiply. Okay, the question is 1021 by means multiply this by this, that is the meaning, or into also we can write into 23, 1021 into 23. I have no space down, so let me try to do the answer alongside, but you have to write it down. Okay, yes. Answer, let's start doing. 1021. Okay, as a beginning please rub 23 and write 3, that's enough. This is as a beginning. Let's try this one digit multiplication. Okay, 1021 into 3. 1 3s are what? First we have to multiply 3 by 1, isn't it? 1 3s are 3. Now then we have to multiply 3 into 2, isn't it? 2 3s are 6. Then we have to multiply 0 into 3. 0 into any number. What is the answer? Yes, 0. Then finally we have to multiply 1 into 3, isn't it? 1 3s are 3. So what is our final answer? 3063. Okay. Now B. The question is 4123. 4123. 4123 into 2. How to do this? Answer, 4123 into 2. Yes, can you say which numbers have to be multiplied first? Which numbers have to be multiplied first? Yes, 2 and 3, isn't it? 2 3s are, yes, 6. Here it should be written down 2. 2 and next step 2 into what? Yes, 2 into next number, 3 after next number, 2. 2 2s are 4. Answer has to be written here. Then next we have to multiply which and which? Yes, 2 and 1. 2 ones are 2. Then we have to multiply 4 into 2, isn't it? 4 2s are 8. So what is our answer? 8246. I think very easy, isn't it? This multiplication without carrying multiplication is very easy. 3212 3212 into 3. Into 3. This is the question. 3212 into 3. Can you say how to multiply this? Very easy, isn't it? So, what is our question? These all are the multiplication without carrying. Okay. 3212 into 3. Okay. Now, which are the numbers to be multiplied first? Can you see? First, we have to multiply 3 and, yes, 2. 3 2s are 6. Okay, down this 3. Then we have to multiply which and which? Yes, 1 and 3. 1 3s are 3. Then we have to multiply 2 and 3. 2 3s are 6. And finally, which numbers have to be multiplied? 3 and 3. 3 3s are 9. So this is the final answer. Okay. I think one more is enough in this session. Very easy multiplication. Oh, okay, isn't it? Yes. No, isn't it? Yes. Now let's write D. D, the question is 1312 into 3. Sorry, into 2. No carry over should be there now. So we should be conscious. Answer. How to do it? Can you say how to write? Yes, 1312 into 2. Okay, which are the numbers to be multiplied first? Yes, which are the numbers to be multiplied? 2 and 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4. Then we have to multiply 1 into 2, isn't it? 1 2s are 2. Then which are the numbers? Then which numbers are to be multiplied? Yes, 3 and 2. 3 2s are 6. Finally, we have, yes, 1 2s are 2. This is the answer. Okay. So let's note down the homework of this session. This is very, very easy. Homework, please note down. E 2311 into 2. F 4113 into 2. One correction is there here, into 3. These two are the homework of this session, question number 1. Okay. Now in question number 2, let's discuss the multiplication without carrying, but by a 2-digit number. Okay. Yes, write down. Question number 2. Find the product of the following. Find the product of the following means what we have to do? What has to be done? Yes. Find the product means what? Multiplication. Find the product means multiplication, isn't it? Okay. Second one. Find the product of the following. Find the product of the following numbers. Product of the following numbers. Okay. Let's start with 23 into 22. First question is what? 23 into 22. So here I have no space down. So let me try to do the answer alongside. You have to do it down. Okay. 23 into 22. So how to start this product? Or we can just change the question as 23 into 12 for avoiding confusion. Otherwise, both are 2 means it would be a little bit confused. So let's multiply 23 into 12. In that, first we have to multiply 23 by what? First we have to multiply 23 by, yes, 23 by 2, isn't it? First we have to multiply 23 by 2. Then down we have to multiply 23 by 1 and then add these two. That is the rule. Okay, this no need to write. add these two. That is the rule. Okay, so what to do? First, 23 into 2 means what? First multiply 3 into 2, isn't it? 3 2s are 6. Okay, then we have to multiply 2 and this 2, isn't it? First we have multiplied 2 into this 3. 3 2s are 6. Then we have to multiply 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. Answer should be written here. And sign is plus. And which is the most important step? Next step is very, very important. What is it? Put a 0 down the first number. Otherwise, the answer will be completely wrong. Okay. The very, very important step is what? Put a 0 before multiplying 23 with by 1. Before multiplying 23 into this 1, put 1 0 down the first number. Okay. This is very, very important step. 0 down the first number is very, very important. Okay. If you forget to write 0, forgot to write 0, the answer will be perfectly wrong. Okay. Now, then we have to multiply 23 into 1. How? 1 into 3. 1 3s are 3. Answer should be written in the next place after 3. Then 1 into 2. 1 2s are 2. Okay. 1 2s are 2. Now, we have to add these two numbers. So, in the blank spaces, zeros can be put. Here only one blank space here. So, put 1 0 there and add. 6 plus 0, 6. What is 6 plus 0? 6, isn't it? 4 plus 3, 4 after 5, 6, 7. Okay. 0 plus 2, 2. So, what is our final answer? 276 is the final answer. Understood? Okay. Write down B. B, the question is 103 into 22. B, 103 into 22. So let's try to find out the answer of this. 103 into 22 means first we have to multiply 103 by our first 2, isn't it? First we have to multiply 103 with our first 2. 2 3s are 6, isn't it? Then 2 into 0. 2 into 0, 2 into 0 or 0 into any number is 0. Then we have 1 into 2. 1 2s are 2. That now we have multiplied 103 into the first 2. This step over. Then we have to multiply 103 into the 103 into second 2. Then we have to multiply 103 into the second 2. How to do? How to do this? Here it is 2. Okay. Can we start multiplying without any further steps, or directly can we start multiplication? No. What is the next very, very important step? Down the first number, we have to put 1 0. That is very important. Down the 6, put 1 0. Then only the answer will be correct. Okay. So, down the first number, just put 1 0. Then, now we can multiply this 2 into these three numbers. Okay. 2 into first number 3. 2 3s are 6. Answer should be written like this. Okay. 2 into 0. This 2 into this 0. 0. And this 2 into this 1. 2 ones are 2. And add. Okay. This is 1. Okay. This is 2. Now we can add 6. 0 plus 6, 6. Here also 0 plus 6, 6. 2 plus 0, 2. 2. So what is the answer? 2266 is the answer. Okay. C. The question is 113 or 123 into 31. 123 into 31. 123 into 31. Let's try to multiply. 123 into 31. Okay. Now, how can we multiply? First, we have to multiply 123 by what? First, we have to multiply 123 by this 1, isn't it? 1 into 3. 1 3s are 3. Okay. Then 1 into 2. 1 2s are 2. 1 into 1. 1 1s are 1. These numbers have to be added. This and the other. Second step have to be added. And now we have to multiply 123 into 3. Without any further steps, can we start multiplication? No. What is the next step? We have to multiply. Surely we have to multiply 123 into 3. That we know. But before start multiplying, one more step is there. What is that? Yes, put 1 0 down the first number. Very, very important step. Put 1 0 down the first number. If you don't put this 0, the answer will be wrong. Put 1 before multiplying 123 with the second number 3. We should put 1 0 down the first number. Okay. Now 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. Then we have to multiply 3 into what? Yes, 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. And finally we have to multiply. Which numbers have to be multiplied finally? 3 and 1. 3 into 1, 3. Okay. Now just add. 3 plus 0, 3. 2 plus 9, 9 after 10, 11, balance 1. Usual addition, okay. Balance 1 should be written above the previous number. Then 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8. This is 8 and 3. So let me add once again, no space here. Don't get confused. Usual addition. 3 plus 0, 3, isn't it? 2 plus 9, 9 after 10, 11. 11's 1 here, balance 1 above this previous number. Then 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 6, 8. And here 3. So 3813 is our final answer. Okay. 3813. Have you understood? I think this much is enough today. No homework in this session. It will be continued from D. We can continue in the coming class. Learn the table or once again revise the table